Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Redmi runs an updated MIUI build and that Wi-Fi is connected. This matters because newer MIUI adds sharing features. Once done, open Settings, go to Portable Hotspot and turn the hotspot on. Make sure you set a secure password and SSID so other devices can join. If the UI shows a Share Wi-Fi or Allow Wi-Fi tethering toggle, enable it now. That option is the key to forwarding the phone's Wi-Fi connection through the hotspot. Next, you navigate the hotspot settings to select the internet source. If your MIUI exposes Share Wi-Fi or Use Wi-Fi as internet source, choose Wi-Fi so the hotspot rebroadcasts the connected network. If that option isn't visible, enable developer options and search for tethering-related toggles or check advanced tethering settings. Also pick 4 GHz or 5 GHz according to the receiving device's support. 4 GHz offers broader compatibility, while 5 GHz gives better speed under ideal range conditions. To finish, connect a laptop or tablet to the hotspot SSID and confirm web access. You're testing that the phone forwards its Wi-Fi link. If there's no internet, toggle Wi-Fi off then on, disable and re-enable the hotspot, or reboot the Redmi. These simple resets fix most routing issues. If the system lacks built-in sharing, consider reputable repeater apps or advanced methods like routing as a last resort. But be aware of security and warranty implications before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.